In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add statuses in Clickup. Whether you're managing a project, tracking tasks, or simply organizing your workflow, customizing task statuses can greatly improve your productivity. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Clickup website, which is where all the magic happens. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so by clicking on the login button. For a streamlined experience, you can use your Google account to sign in. Once signed in, you'll see your workspace with all the tasks and projects you're managing. Now, to start customizing your statuses, locate the status icon in the top navigation bar. Clicking on this will open a drop-down with various options. Here, you'll want to proceed by selecting the Settings icon. This is where you'll have control over your status configurations. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the option that says Use Custom Statuses and select it. This option allows you to tailor statuses to your specific needs rather than using the default options provided by Clickup. Now comes the fun part, creating your own custom statuses. Click on the Add Status button to start crafting your personalized status. At this stage, you have the option to choose a meaningful name for your new status. Perhaps you need a status like awaiting review or on hold, whatever suits your workflow best. Additionally, you can assign a color to your status for easy visual reference. This is particularly handy for quickly identifying stages or categories without having to read the text. Once you've created a status that fits your project's needs perfectly, don't forget to save it. Click on the Save button to ensure that your new status is added to the list. This step is crucial to make sure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. Finally, to implement the changes you've made, click on Apply Changes. By doing this, your new statuses will be available throughout your tasks and projects and ready to be put to use, and there you have it. Adding statuses in ClickUp is a straightforward process that empowers you with greater flexibility and helps you optimize the way you work. Customizing statuses is a small step that can have a big impact on keeping your tasks organized and your projects on track. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more ClickUp tips. Until next time, happy task managing.